When it comes to making a great first impression, curb appeal is everything. The windows of your Kendall home play a pivotal role in defining its exterior charm and overall aesthetic. Whether you're planning to sell your property or simply want to boost its visual appeal, investing in the best window installation services can transform your home's appearance while providing functional benefits like energy efficiency and improved security. Here's how expert window installation can enhance your Kendall home's curb appeal and what to look for in a quality service provider. The importance of windows in curb appeal. Windows are one of the most prominent features of your home's exterior, influencing its overall look and feel. Outdated or damaged windows can detract from your home's appearance, making it look older or poorly maintained. On the other hand, stylish, high-quality windows can elevate your home's design, complementing its architecture and creating a polished, cohesive look. In Kendall, where sunlight and scenic views are abundant, choosing the right windows is essential for showcasing your home's beauty while maximizing functionality. How window installation improves curb appeal. Modern styles and designs. Upgrading your windows gives you the opportunity to choose modern, stylish designs that enhance your home's aesthetics. From sleek, minimalistic frames to classic grids, there are countless options to suit your style. Customizable options. Many professional window installation services offer custom solutions tailored to your home's architecture. Whether you're looking for bay windows to add dimension or large picture windows to frame a view, customization can take your curb appeal to the next level. Improved symmetry. Properly installed windows create a balanced, symmetrical look that's pleasing to the eye. Professional services ensure windows align perfectly with your home's design, avoiding mismatched or uneven appearances. Fresh finishes. New windows often come with updated frame colors and finishes that complement your home's exterior paint and landscaping. Benefits beyond aesthetics. While improving curb appeal is the primary goal, new window installation offers additional advantages. Energy efficiency. Modern windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, which is especially valuable in Kendall's warm climate. Energy-efficient windows lower cooling costs while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Natural light. New windows maximize natural light, brightening both the interior and exterior of your home. A well-lit home appears more inviting and attractive. Increased home value. High-quality window installation is a sought-after feature for homebuyers, often boosting property value and resale potential. Choosing the right window installation service in Kendall. To achieve the best results, it's crucial to work with a reputable and skilled window installation company. Here's what to look for. Experience and expertise. Choose a company with a proven track record of successful installations. Experienced professionals understand Kendall's unique climate and architectural styles, ensuring your windows perform well and complement your home. Wide selection of style. A good window installation service offers a variety of styles, materials, and finishes. This allows you to find windows that align with your design preferences and budget. Energy-efficient options. look for companies that provide energy-efficient windows with features like low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames. These options not only enhance curb appeal but also deliver long-term savings. Custom solution. Every home is unique, so a service provider that offers customized window designs can help you achieve a tailored, high-end look. Customer reviews and recommendations. Check online reviews and ask for references to ensure the company has a history of satisfied customers. Positive feedback is a strong indicator of quality workmanship and service. Top window trends to consider for your Kendall home. To maximize curb appeal, consider these popular window trends. Black frames. Bold black frames add a modern touch and create striking contrast against lighter exteriors. Large picture windows. Ideal for maximizing natural light and highlighting scenic views, these windows are perfect for Kendall's sunny environment. Bay and bow windows. These options add dimension and character, creating an elegant focal point. Sliding windows. Practical and sleek, sliding windows offer a contemporary look and easy operation. Maintaining your new windows. Once your new windows are installed, regular maintenance ensures they continue to enhance your home's curb appeal. Clean the glass. Keep windows sparkling to maximize their visual impact. Inspect frames and seals. Periodically check for wear or damage and address issues promptly. Repaint or refinish as needed. Wooden frames may require occasional refinishing to maintain their beauty. Conclusion. Elevate your Kendall home's aesthetic. Investing in professional window installation is a surefire way to enhance your Kendall home's curb appeal. With the right combination of style, materials, and expert craftsmanship, you can transform your home's exterior into a stunning showcase that reflects your personal taste while improving functionality and energy efficiency. Partner with a trusted window installation service in Kendall to explore your options and bring your vision to life. A more beautiful, energy-efficient home is just one upgrade away.